Hello dear children, I hope you are having a great time. Welcome to my channel. In today's intriguing video, let's begin with Abdullah's fascinating story, where he receives rewards from the Almighty Allah. Stay tuned. Once upon a time, in a bustling town, there lived a young boy named Abdullah. Abdullah was known for his kindness and helpfulness towards others. One day, while walking to the mosque for prayers, he noticed an elderly man struggling to carry heavy bags of groceries. Without hesitation, Abdullah rushed to help him. He carried the bags all the way to the man's home, refusing any reward. The grateful man thanked Abdullah and mentioned that kindness is greatly rewarded by Allah. Later that week, Abdullah lost his favorite toy at the park. Feeling upset, he remembered the words of the elderly man. He decided to help clean the mosque to earn Allah's blessings, hoping to find his toy as a reward for his good deeds. As Abdullah swept the mosque, he spotted his toy tucked away in a corner. Overjoyed, he realized that Allah rewards kindness in unexpected ways. From that day on, Ali continued to help others, knowing that kindness brings blessings beyond imagination. Thank you for watching and spending time with us. We appreciate your love and support. Please like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next video. Take care.